7 summer drinks that hydrate better than soda. 7 healthy drinks your body will thank you for. What if your favorite soda is actually making you feel more thirsty during the hottest days of the year? And what if 7 refreshing drinks could hydrate your body even better while providing important nutrients? Stay until the end because the final drink might surprise you. Before we begin, please like this video, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to the Green Health Life channel for more simple, science-informed health tips every week. When the temperature rises, your body loses water through sweat. While many people reach for soda, sugary soft drinks don't hydrate as effectively as many healthier alternatives because they often contain large amounts of added sugar. Today, we'll reveal 7 refreshing summer drinks that can help keep you hydrated while supporting your overall health. Let's begin. Drink number 7. Coconut water. Nature created one of the best sports drinks long before companies did. Coconut water contains natural electrolytes like potassium and magnesium that help replace minerals lost through sweating. Just choose varieties without added sugar for the greatest benefit. But the next drink is probably already in your refrigerator. Drink number 6. Infused lemon water. Sometimes the simplest drink is one of the best. Add slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint to cold water for a refreshing beverage that encourages you to drink more throughout the day. Lemon also provides a boost of vitamin C, making plain water much more exciting. But wait until you see the next colorful drink. Drink number 5. Watermelon smoothie. Watermelon is made up of over 90% water. Blend fresh watermelon with ice and a squeeze of lime for a naturally sweet drink packed with hydration and antioxidants like lycopene. It's like summer in a glass. But the next drink has been enjoyed for centuries around the world. Drink number 4. Iced green tea. Unsweetened green tea is rich in natural antioxidants called catechins. Served over ice, it's refreshing, low in calories, and a great alternative to sugary soft drinks. Just don't overload it with sugar if you want to enjoy its health benefits. The next drink is creamy, delicious, and surprisingly hydrating. Drink number 3. Low-fat milk. Many people don't realize that milk contains water, protein, calcium, and natural electrolytes, making it an effective choice for rehydration after physical activity. If dairy isn't suitable for you, fortified soy milk can also be a nutritious option. We're getting closer to our top 2. Drink number 2. Homemade fruit-infused sparkling water. Love fizzy drinks? Mix sparkling water with fresh berries, orange slices, or pineapple chunks for a refreshing drink without the high sugar content of many sodas. You'll still enjoy the bubbles while giving your body more hydration. Now it's time for our number 1 drink. Drink number 1. Plain water. Sometimes the healthiest choice is also the simplest. Water helps regulate body temperature, supports digestion, carries nutrients throughout your body, and replaces fluids lost through sweat. Adding ice, lemon, cucumber, or fresh fruit can make it even more enjoyable without adding lots of sugar. So the next time you're feeling thirsty this summer, think twice before reaching for a sugary soda. Your body may benefit more from one of these refreshing alternatives. Which of these drinks are you excited to try first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed today's video, please like, share, and subscribe to the Green Health Life channel. We'll see you in the next video.